Snoring in children is a huge issue. Snoring also leads to a dangerous condition known as obstructive sleep apnea or OSA. Now, this is a condition where the child stops or pauses the breathing for a few seconds. So you may hear sounds like and then the breathing continues again. So for a few seconds, there's a gap. This gap over and over again can cause huge impact on oxygenation of the brain and have devastating effects. Snoring in the night means your brain is not getting enough oxygen. So this has to be addressed early and effectively. Snoring in children can be easily managed with simple appliances and a treatment therapy called myofunctional therapy.